Hello everyone. I hope you are enjoying the entire series on Python, Django, JavaScript, blockchain, Spring. In fact, there are more videos on the way. Now, if you think those videos were helpful and you have enjoyed all the free videos, and if you want to help and if you want to support this channel, you can do it in two ways. So the first way is you can support us by sharing our videos on different social networking platforms, maybe Facebook, LinkedIn, even on WhatsApp. The second way of supporting the channel is through donations. Now it can be a small amount or a big amount, it's all depend upon how much you want to support. So the more you support, it will be easier for us to make more videos and help other people. Now you will find the link for donation in description. In fact, you can use InstaMojo if you are from India. If you are from outside India, you can also use PayPal. You can find different options available in description. You can also visit our website, which is telusko.com, to see what other features we provide. We also have some paid courses available on the website. You can check them out. So yeah, that's about the support. You can support in any way. That's your choice, but do support us. There's one more way you can support, and that is by subscribing the channel. So that's it. Keep learning and keep growing.